back to my channel, Learn Smart Coding. In this video, we're going to talk about the template literals. Template literals can help build the string values that you might want to assign to a variable. And really, template literals are a wonderful feature of ECMAScript 6, ES6. They'll be very useful in a number of scenarios. One of the scenarios like most oftenly used is you use a template to replace a string concatenation code. So here in the video, you can see I'm trying to build a string of URL, an API URL, which could have a URL, a domain name, a category, and a particular ID, and so on. So I'm trying to build a URL, which also includes a slash. So let's start with a variable called URL. I'm assigning some value to the URL, followed by another variable called controller, and it's just the name, so I'm assigning a product controller name, and I'm also giving another variable called ID, and I'm assigning a free value. So basically I'm going to format an API URL. So generally, how do you format? You format with a concatenation symbol called plus, and you use to add all the string literals like this. And if you have to add the slash in between, you need to put this double quotes and then slash, right? So that's how you print the API URL. You see, this is how you print the string. We got the API URL. Now with the template literals, this is far easy. You can easily build this and assign it to a variable. All what you need to do is you need to use a backtick. It is not a single quotes, it's a backtick. You need to use a backtick, and then inside the backtick, anything that you've put will become a string, and then followed by, if you put a dollar symbol and then an open parenthesis and close parenthesis, I would say it's open bracket and a close bracket, and in between this, if you put, it is called evaluation. The URL is a variable which is declared on the top. It will evaluate, and the string little inside the URL will be put inside this. So when you format this, you will finally get the string. In this case, you can clearly see I don't have any plus in between. I already have a slash in between all those controller and ID, and it nicely formed the URL. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like it, share it, comment it, and never forget to click on the bell icon.